Just one last thing before you go to the members area. Now we have some extra options available for WP Conversion Boost in the Pro version. You get 5 powerful personalization and conversion tools for the price of 1. So tool number 1 is geotagging, which allows you to personalize your page by the visitor's geographical location. And this is actually 7 upgrades rolled into 1. Now, as you can see here, you can personalize your page with the country code, region, city, zip, and time zone, which is great for attracting attention of a specific geographical audience. And this feature alone costs hundreds of dollars per month on other platforms. Tool number 2 is cookies. More than 9 out of 10 visitors leave a page without buying, and as many as a third of your visitors will come back on several occasions. Now, cookies store your personalized page changes so the returning visitor sees the same personalized content even if they click on other pages on your website. So if you're using the same shortcode throughout your website, the visitor will see your original dynamic keyword or phrase that you used. You see, it works a bit like retargeting. Those keywords or personalized content will follow your visitors around your website, making your marketing a lot more focused. Building comfort, and more comfort results in more sales. Tool number 3 is browser and operating system detection, which means you can get even more personal by targeting people by device and the browser that they're using. Take a look at this headline, for example. If you can load up your Windows machine and browse the internet with your Chrome browser, then you can easily make money with this system. Pretty effective, right? Tool number 4 is countdown timers. You can add standard timers, evergreen timers, and timers with redirection to any page of your choice. This adds urgency to your offers, which of course is proved to increase conversions. And tool number 5 is dynamic date and time. This is a great tool for your long-form sales pages. Let me show you some examples. We have a special price running for today only, February 10th, starting at 10 a.m. Or sales letter intros such as From the Desk of David Casa, February 10th, 2018. So as you can see with the Pro tools, you can make your pages even more personal. You can add site-wide keyword targeting. You can use geolocation. You can add scarcity, and you can make your offers appear more current. All of these things, of course, are built to help you drive more engagement and higher conversions, and of course, more sales. So it's a super useful tool for all marketers. Now, as I mentioned earlier, just one of these tools can cost you hundreds of dollars per month from our competitors. But for a limited time, you can get this for a one-time fee. So check out the offer below, and we hope to see you on board.